What's up, friends, and welcome back to Drawing Dexterity. Today we are going to draw a snowman, so grab your markers and let's begin this masterpiece. First, we're going to start with the face, so let's draw cute little tiny eyes. The other one comes across just like that. Okay, now we're going to draw a nose. Like that. We're gonna draw a beautiful little smile. Amazing. Okay. I want to draw eyelashes, honestly. I know. I just love drawing eyelashes. I've told that in my previous videos, so you might know if you have watched them. Okay, good. That looks good. Yes. Now let's draw a circle for the face. Make it super nice and straight. Okay, it's okay if it's not straight, but doesn't matter. Okay, now we're going to draw a cute little hat. That looks super elfy. I mean, it looks good. Okay, and okay, good. That's the head part for our snowman. Now we're gonna draw the body. Okay, let's draw a circle for the, like, we're gonna draw, we already made 1, 2, and then the last one is going to be like super big for the base. Okay. Let's give it a scarf. And should we draw a pattern? I like it simple though. If you do, like if you want to make a pattern, you can make a pattern on the cap or the scarf. It depends on you if you want to. But we're gonna draw cute little hands. I don't know if that's called as cute, but it is super, actually it looks cute. Like, 3 fingers. Okay, now we're gonna continue with the body because this looks kind of weird right now. Okay, let's make a big giant circle. Connect. Wow. That looks super good. I wanted to make buttons, but didn't have a chance to. Okay, I think that's enough. That's the end of my drawing. So if you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching my videos. See you soon in another cute video. Bye!